How to get any woman and make her fall in love with you. The Stoic path. They told you love is a game, that you need tricks, tactics, manipulation. But what if I told you, the surest way to make a woman fall in love with you is to stop trying to make her fall in love at all? You see, the ancient Stoics knew something we've forgotten, that to attract others, truly, deeply, you must first become someone worth being drawn to, not through charm, but through discipline, through virtue, through presence forged in silence and suffering. This is not a guide for the desperate. It is a philosophy for the dangerous. We live in an age where men chase love the way addicts chase their next hit. Approval, validation, obsession. And every time the result is the same. Heartbreak, confusion, rage. Why? Because we were never taught to master ourselves before trying to possess someone else. The Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, warned us of this trap. It is not things that disturb us, but our opinions about things, Epictetus said. It is not the woman that breaks you. It is your attachment, your expectations, your delusions, the belief that she should complete you. No one can complete you, except you. Let's be clear. This is not a path of cold indifference. It is a path of fire-forged strength. To attract a woman in a way that makes her fall, truly fall, for you, you must become grounded in something far greater than approval. You must become the man who needs nothing, and thus is worthy of everything. The truth is, women don't fall in love with what you say. They fall in love with the presence behind your words. They fall for your steadiness in chaos, your discipline in temptation, your calm in uncertainty. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Be like the rock that the waves keep crashing over. It stands unmoved and the raging of the sea falls still around it." That rock, that's who we must become. Unshaken, grounded, not pretending to be fearless, but choosing courage every day, despite the fear. We don't seek her love from weakness. We allow her to love us because we no longer need her love to validate our worth. Master yourself first. The man who cannot govern his emotions will always be a slave. Practice the art of voluntary hardship. Wake up early, train, read, fast, meditate. Choose the difficult path so that ease does not soften you. Speak little, mean much. A Stoic speaks when he has something to say, not when he feels anxious in silence. Let your actions reveal your value. Let your stillness speak louder than noise. Hold your frame. Never orbit a woman. Create gravity so strong she orbits you. That gravity comes from purpose, from silence, from unwavering self-respect. Detach from outcome. You are not owed her affection. You are only responsible for the man you become. If she sees you, truly sees you, and feels your strength, she will choose you. And if she doesn't, you remain unmoved. You walk on with dignity, love without losing yourself. Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." A Stoic loves bravely because he is free, not clingy, not afraid, not controlling. Love for us is not ownership, it is alignment. When two sovereign souls walk the same path, not needing, but choosing each other. Brothers, we do not chase women. We chase excellence. We chase discipline. We chase the man buried under years of fear, lust, and weakness. And in that relentless pursuit, when we become that rarest of things, the calm in the storm, she will see you. She will feel the steadiness in your eyes, the lack of desperation in your touch, the quiet conviction in your presence. And without words, without manipulation, she will fall. Not for your tricks, not for your image, but for the truth that radiates from a man who is finally completely free. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior and the most attractive man she will ever meet.